Okay, boys and girls, so you go to fix the wife's vacuum cleaner and you break. I don't know if you could see this. The thing didn't turn on. So we broke the chip, which in turn broke the trace inside there. So what we're going to do is fix it. Tee-hee. I'm going to take this really thin piece of wire. Hope you can see that. I'm going to take that really thin piece of wire and I'm going to solder it from point to point. And this one has 2 points, 1, 2. So, see if it works. Where's my solder? Put that over there. I like to let it rest there. I have a third hand over here somewhere, but I like to let it rest there. I don't like using the third hand. It's not heavy enough. You gotta put a weight on it or something. That was it? I don't know if you can see. The same thing over here. Alright, needle nose. I'm trying to not get in your way. I'm trying to let you see this. But I think I'm gonna need a third hand. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Copper is excellent heat conductor. So let's make this a little shorter. Not that one. We want this one now. Sorry, guys, can't see it. Nature of the beast. Okay, so now we got a little jumper from that tab to this tab. Now I gotta get one from this tab to that tab and this tab. So I think I'm gonna make a little horseshoe there. I hope this works. I cut this. This is one strand off of a number 8 stranded wire. It's like 16 gauge. I gotta clean this tip. Very important to have a clean tip when you solder. Even tin it a little bit. Uh-oh. I'm trying to tin it with the copper. Don't go full retard, guys. Okay. Ah, cocksucker. Didn't have it supported. Sorry if my big meat hooks are in the way. I cannot seem to do this otherwise. That's all it takes. Very small devices on here, so really only need very little heat. I have a standard soldering pencil in here. I actually use it for a lot of things, and it has served me well. Yuck. Come on. Make it so it wants to stay there, you know what I mean? Come on. Back in high school, they taught me how to make circuit boards. That was really cool. We had Mr. Ross in Tottenville High School. The guy was awesome. It's probably the only class I ever really enjoyed. And one of the only classes that I still use the shit I learned. This is tedious. Oh, this is dirty. Alright. I'm going to need something to hold this thing. You boys and girls get the gist. I'll give you a quick update when we're done. Okay, boys and girls, here is our final product. I put it in a little spring clamp here, and I was able to use both of my hands. So let's see if we can get a good angle over here. Let's see what happens. Pop that in. Gently touch it. Unplug the soldering gun, soldering pencil. Plug in the vacuum. So this sits like this. Where's the handle? No. She'll be happy.